Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start now by confirming a steady water connection and power. Once done, check the drum and hoses for loose debris or foreign objects. This prevents clogs. Load Camel-safe textiles, keeping the drum no more than 60% full so items move freely. Add the recommended detergent amount. Use low-sudsing formula for delicate fibers. Make sure to select a gentle or normal cycle based on fabric. You should also set temperature. Warm for mixed loads, cold for colors that bleed. Once the machine is running, make mid-cycle checks to maintain balance and efficacy. You'll choose cycle, temperature, and spin speed based on fiber care labels. Higher spin removes more water but stresses seams. If you need conditioner or a targeted stain treatment, add it at the specified dispenser or pause at the wash phase so it disperses evenly. Listen for loud knocks or wobble during the first 10 minutes. These signs mean you should pause, redistribute load, and resume to avoid damage. You finish by stopping the cycle and removing items promptly to prevent odors. Shake garments out and choose air dry or tumble dry per labels. Next, clear lint from the filter, drain leftover water, and wipe the door seal to extend machine life. If you encounter an error code, persistent leak, or strange vibration, stop the machine immediately, unplug power, and inspect hoses and fittings. If a simple fix fails, document the error and contact a technician. Do not run the unit until...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.